जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS समाचार channel from the international world. Canada is a country in northern part of North America. Canada-India relations or Indo-Canadian relations are long-standing bilateral relations between Canada and the Republic of India, which are built upon a mutual commitment to democracy, pluralism, and people-to-people links, according to the Government of Canada. Country. The first private rocket engine of India's test is succeed. In one turn, many satellites can go. Education. The one student of IIT got 42 lakh and 5 got 34 lakh package sacraments. WHO did not accepted the corona vaccine of Rouge and not added in top 9 vaccine. Environment. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa and is the longest river in Africa and the disputed longest river in the world, as the Brazilian government says. And the Amazon River is longer than the Nile. The Nile is about 6,650 kilometers long and its drainage basin covers 11 countries: Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Ethiopia, Eritrea, South Sudan, Republic of the Sudan, and Egypt. In particular, the Nile is the primary water source of Egypt and Sudan. Invention. A circular economy aims to keep products, equipments, and infrastructure in use for longer, thus improving the productivity of these resources. This regenerative approach is in contrast to the traditional linear economy, which has a take, make, dispose model of production. Great person Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya was born on 25th December 1861. He was an Indian scholar, educational reformer, and politician notable for his role in the Indian independence movement as the 4 times president of Indian National Congress and the founder of Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha. He was respectfully addressed as Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya and also addressed as Mahamana. Malviya strived to promote modern education among Indians and eventually founded Banaras Hindu University at Varanasi in 1960, which was created under BHU Act 1950. State. The Andaman Islands are an Indian archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. These roughly 300 islands are known for their palm-lined white sand, beach mangroves, and tropical rainforest, coral reefs supporting marine life such as sharks and rays, make for popular diving and snorkeling sites. Indigenous Andaman Islanders inhabit the more remote islands, many of which are off limits to visitors. Fruits. Arrowroot is a starch obtained from the rhizomes of several tropical plants, traditionally Maranta oriendaceae, but also Florida arrowroot from Zamia integrifolia, and tapioca from cassava, which is often called labeled as arrowroot. Polynesian arrowroot or pia and Japanese arrowroot, also called kurju, are also used in similar ways. Flowers. Morning glory is the common for over 1,000 species of flowering plants in the family Commonwealthia, whose current taxonomy and systematics are in flux. Morning glory species are belong to many genera. Yoga, Tadasana, mountain pose or Samasthiti is a standing asana in modern yoga as exercise. It is not described in medieval Hatha yoga texts. It is the basis for several other standing asana. The health benefits of Tadasana is it helps increase the flexibility of your ankles, thighs and joints. It can turn your hips and abdomen and helps to gain control over your muscular movements. universe. An unidentified flying object is an aerial phenomenon that cannot immediately be identified or explained. Most UFOs are identified on investigation as conventional objects or phenomena. The term is widely used for claimed observation of extraterrestrial spacecraft. Math. In mathematics and physics, a vector is an element of a vector space. For many specific vector spaces, the vectors have received specific names which are listed below. Historically, vectors were introduced in geometry and physics before the formalization of the concept of vector space. Ayurveda, Cinnamon tamala, Indian bay leaf, also known as Teespatta, Malwar leaf, Indian bark, Indian cassia, Malabatram, is a tree in the family Euraceae that is native to India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan and China. It can grow up to 20 meters tall. Village town Badrinath is a holy town and Nagar Panchayat in Chamoli district in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is one of the 4 sites in India's Chardham pilgrimage and gets its name from the temple of Badrinath. Today's event: Pakistan Independence Day 1814. A ceasefire agreement called the Convention of Mosh ended the Swedish-Norwegian War 1842. American-Indian War, Second Seminole War ends with the Seminole forced from Florida to Oklahoma. 1848. Oregon Territory is organized by Act of Congress. 1885. Japan's first patent is issued to inventor of a rust-proof paint. 1880. Construction of Cologne's Cathedral, the most populous landmark in Cologne, Germany, is completed. 1893. France becomes the first country to introduce motor vehicle registration. Today's temperature in Patna: 27 degrees Celsius, and in Delhi 27 degrees Celsius. Delhi is fully covered with water. It is not good for Delhi. Now some pronunciation of some word. First word is data, not data. Second word is dengue, not dengue. Third word is desert, not desert. Fourth word is ball. It's just ball, not bowl. Fifth word is epitome. It is just epitome, not epitome. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।